Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to improve marks in Betterment exams. First, thoroughly understand your exam syllabus and marking scheme. Next, create a realistic study schedule, setting achievable daily goals. This structured approach helps you cover all necessary topics efficiently. Finally, identify your weak areas early on so you can dedicate more time to improving them, ensuring a balanced preparation. To master your Betterment exam, practice past papers extensively to familiarize yourself with question types and time management. Employ active recall by testing yourself frequently, and use spaced repetition to reinforce learning over time. Remember to take short, regular breaks, perhaps every 45 to 60 minutes, to prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh and focused throughout your study sessions. Your physical and mental well-being are crucial for exam success. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to consolidate learning and improve concentration. Maintain a balanced diet and drink plenty of water to keep your energy levels stable. Incorporate stress reduction techniques, such as deep breathing exercises for 5 minutes daily, to manage anxiety and stay calm. On exam day, begin by carefully reading all instructions and questions to avoid errors. Allocate your time wisely across each section, perhaps spending 1.5 minutes per mark to ensure you attempt everything. If you finish early, use the remaining time to thoroughly review your answers for any mistakes or omissions. Stay calm and confident throughout the examination.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.